back to another video, and in this video we're going to be quickly going through how you can add your local files from your Spotify to your Spotify iPhone. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to obviously take an iPhone and you're going to connect it with any desktop or laptop, and you're going to make sure to be logged in with your main Spotify account that you use on your iPhone or iOS on your desktop. And once you log in with that, as you can see over here, they're going to say tap on home, tap on settings, tap on local files, and switch on show audio files from this device. So what you're going to do is you're going to transfer over the files from your iPhone to your desktop, and from your desktop you're obviously going to go ahead into your Spotify. And once you're over here, obviously you're going to go on home, you're going to go on your settings, and you're obviously going to go to your local files from the top right hand corner over here. So just access those files, and just start switching those files. Again, make sure that your iPhone is properly connected to your system, and that's how simple and easy it is. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.